every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's holiday spiced nuts. I have high hopes for this recipe because I love nuts. And with holidays literally here, I feel like this recipe will be the perfect one for all the get-togethers. So, if you're as curious to see how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 400 grams of mixed nuts. I have here almonds, peanuts, cashews, and Brazil nuts, 30 grams of butter, melted, 20 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary, finely chopped, half a teaspoon of cumin, quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, quarter of a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, and some salt. This will be a super quick one. So I turned on my oven to preheat to 180 degrees, and in the meantime I'm gonna make the spice mixture, I suppose. So to a huge bowl, because here I'm gonna add the hot nuts from the oven and mix everything, so I want a lot of space, then it's so much easier to mix. I'm gonna add the melted butter and all the spices. Brown sugar, rosemary, cumin, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. I'm gonna add the salt once I have the nuts here so I can gauge how much I want to add and mix everything together. Well, that was quick. Okay, so now setting that aside, I have my roasting pan here to which I'm gonna add all the nuts in one single layer, and once the oven preheats, I'm gonna add the nuts there for 15 minutes to roast. Because I washed my nuts, I actually let them roast for 20 minutes. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Well, okay, I will catch them all. So now I'm gonna add them all here with the spice mixture. I'm gonna season it with salt and just mix everything to combine. And that's it. This smells really rosemary, so if you don't like that spice, not sure if you're gonna like it, but I cannot choose. I don't have a problem with it. Which one to choose? This looks like I will have sticky fingers, oily fingers, and even though it's sort of like finger food, but I mean, then everyone will be with oily, sticky fingers, especially the kids. Okay, will it be too spicy? I wonder. Ooh, oh my god, this is so good. This is not spicy. Oh, what an interesting combo indeed. It's sweet, like, not like dessert sweet, but you definitely feel that there's something sweet, the sugar. Oh my god, rosemary is so good here. I love this! Oh my god, this is even better than I expected. Oh. I could finish this easy. This is so good. This mix, you have to try this season. Oh my god, this looks really cool. Serving in such glasses is definitely a really nice touch for the holiday table. Will I be able to stop eating while talking? I'm not sure, because my god, I thought that those like really coated pieces, like for example this one, will not really attract me that much, but This is so good. Wow. Okay. Okay. Stopping. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling even my mom, who is not that keen on rosemary, would love this just because there's so many flavors. I love nuts in general, and this is like homemade, you know, spiced up version. This is so good. Okay, I just keep repeating myself because I knew I would love this, but this is even better than I expected. So there you have it. Tell me, will you try it? You should definitely try it. This is so quick. It takes literally preheating the oven, so 10 minutes for me, plus 15 or 20 minutes in my case, roasting the nuts, and that's it. Like, it's done. And you can make a lot in the same time. I'm too excited and I want to take another piece. This is really good, really good. You can choose the nuts you love. Just because I always wash the nuts because I feel like they're, you know, dusty and dirty and whatnot. So I washed them and I noticed that they were not like, you know, sweating or releasing the oil yet at the 15-minute mark. So I just kept roasting for another 5 minutes. Can you see how I want to take another piece? This is wonderful. This is how Laura's looks like. If you want, you can go and watch her make it. And if you want the recipe for this with all the measurements in both American and the metric systems, then it's in the description box down below. As always, I convert every single recipe I try into the metric system so I can try it and I can enjoy it, and I know that there's a lot of you there who are also using my metric system. It's not mine, but like the same one. So as I cannot stop staring and wishing I could take another bite, I will be signing off. If you want more recipes like this, I'm sure you already see the link to another playlist somewhere here on the screen, and I will be running away. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!